Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get this amazing looking 3D animated wallpapers on Asus ROG Ally. So to do this, first we'll need to download the Steam and also this app that allows you to add and use this 3D wallpapers costs around $3, so it's not a big deal to spend, and it's called Wallpaper Engine on Steam. You can find it right here, and yeah, it's in Polish, 14.99 zloty per PLN, but for dollars it's around 3 to 4 US dollars. Now we want to open this specific app, which is currently running, and I have it right here. Now when you launch it, you'll see your installed wallpapers, and you can download many more wallpapers from the workshop, and they are made by other people, and you can actually try to create your own if you like. Now select whichever wallpaper you like. You can find the wallpapers themed around the game and etc., like I have from the Skyrim, and let's add, for example, this one. You want to subscribe. Now it will download. Now move to the installed and find the wallpaper that you want to set. You can scroll down and here it is. Some of the wallpapers even make a sound, but it's no problem, we can mute it. So change the volume to 0 and now it's muted. And you can even, which is kind of funny, you can set the monkey riding through Los Santos, which is dope. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.